To add a new line to the list, press the Add the New Line button or Post-it icon. The possibility to enter products will appear again on the screen. If subsequent products added to Quick Buy repeat themselves, you must decide whether a given line should be added as a new line, merged with an already existing line in Quick Buy, skipped when importing into Quick Buy. This function allows you to print the list of products in Quick Buy. Note: only products correctly entered, that is, those for which no error is displayed, qualify for printing. If you want to delete products from the Quick Buy list, select the checkboxes located next to each product and then use the Delete button or the Exit icon at the end of each product line. To copy selected products to the parking, select the checkboxes next to the products and then use the Copy to Parking button. Then you should specify to which folder in the parking you want the products copied. The function Park the Products allows you to transfer products in the Quick Buy list to the parking. To take advantage of this function, select the checkboxes next to the selected products and use the button Park the Products. To take advantage of this function, place your orders using Quick Buy. If you want to optimize your order, select all the lines and then click the Optimize button found above, below the table with the products. Line optimization may also be accomplished by clicking the Optimize link located at the end of the line with a given product. The Optimize button and link only appear where it's possible to optimize the indicated amount. After using the optimizer at the lines where the amount may not be optimal, the system will prompt the amount from a higher price range, which may prove more beneficial to you. The amount by which the order for a given product is increased will appear in brackets. The price and net or gross value will be also displayed depending on the type of customer for the proposed amount. In order to optimize the entire order, select the checkboxes next to the selected lines and then press the Optimize Selected Products button located above, below the table with the products, which will further save changes for all the products. However, clicking on the link Optimize Selected Line located at the end of the line with a given product will only update that particular product. Then the amount inputted by the customer will be replaced with an optimal amount. The price and net or gross value will be displayed depending on whether the customer is a company or a private person. Using this option, you can export selected products to a CSV file. Just select the checkboxes next to the products and use the button Export to CSV file. Note: only correctly inputted products shall be exported to the file, that is, those for which no error was displayed. When you finish entering the lines using Quick Buy, you must add them to the order by clicking the Add to Order button. All properly entered lines will be automatically transferred to the order, and incorrectly entered products will remain in Quick Buy. In order to complete the order, proceed to the cart. This option allows for quick search of a given product using TME's symbol or the customer's symbol. In order to take advantage of the offer, click on the link Offer Available, select the offer that you want to use, and then decide if you want to add the line with the offer as a new line or to replace the line currently located in Quick Buy. If there are products similar to a specified product, this information is displayed beneath the product. To add similar products to Quick Buy, select one of two options: replacing a product currently added to Quick Buy with a similar product, adding a similar product as a new line in Quick Buy. Availability Notification System is a function that allows you to monitor the changing stock level in TME. You can set two types of notifications: single notification when stock status reaches a level of total demand, multiple notification when stock status increases but is insufficient to meet demand, sent until the stock status meets the demand in full.